Hi everyone, my name is Ben Piper and welcome to my course, Architecting for Reliability on AWS. I'm the author of the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Study Guide. Architecting for Reliability is all about making sure your cloud-based applications are not only available a certain percentage of the time, but that they're also performing well. And on top of that, you want your environment to be cost-effective. How do you balance all of this? How do you achieve high availability and consistent performance without breaking the bank? In this course, you'll get hands-on experience learning how to achieve any given availability requirement, whether it's 99.9% or 99.999%. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include designing and configuring your virtual private cloud or VPC networks to be resilient and reliable, using CloudFormation, elastic load balancing, auto-scaling, and Route 53 together to achieve your desired level of availability while keeping costs under control. By the end of this course, you'll be able to take any availability requirement and create a reliable, cost-effective design to achieve it. You'll also learn how to test and implement your design safely and quickly. Before beginning the course, you should have an AWS account and the AWS command line interface installed. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into more advanced courses on virtual private cloud, elastic load balancing, and Route 53. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to create resilient, scalable cloud architectures with the Architecting for Reliability on AWS course at Pluralsight.